What's going on, guys? This is Chandler Smith, and if you missed it, the Stradman was here this weekend and just purchased one of my supercars. So if you want to see that video, you can click the link right here. However, after he purchased the car, he wanted to come and see my dream home, and we actually just finished with all of the drywall in the entire home. So you can finally see everything coming together, and I'm gonna show you that entire tour. So with all of that being said, let's jump into it. All right, we're almost to the new house. I'm excited to see what James thinks. It's cool, but probably not as cool as his new house. Well, what did you want to see?
I just thought it'd be cool to just take like the quickest walkthrough ever. Because I know you want to get golfing.
Yeah, I'm excited to see it now that they finished the sheetrock. So
yeah.
I think they've just got like the little stuff.
How often are you over here?
You know, I used to come almost every day.
Yeah.
But with everything going on, I haven't been over as much.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So measuring it, I think I could fit 6 cars in each side. Which would be cool.
6 Lambos each side. That's 12 Lambos.
But I think just for space, I might get 2 lifts over there.
Yeah.
And so then I can have more.
Yeah.
So this is just a little like mud room.
Yeah.
Little homework room. Kitchen.
Sick.
Living room. We're doing stone on this.
Yeah.
My house is gonna be a lot more cutesy than yours is because my wife's in charge.
Yeah. Which means it's gonna look a lot better. Sell for a lot more money someday.
So this is the master
bedroom.
bedroom.
Look at the ceiling. That's cool.
Yeah, we're gonna have a beam in the top.
Oh, okay. Very cool.
And then master bathroom, the shower, and then this is a closet.
Nice.
Upstairs is mostly bedrooms, but
yeah,
the one we're doing for my son, it's really cool. This will be a laundry room, and then this bedroom back here I think is the coolest bedroom because it's above the basketball court.
Oh, okay.
So it's just big.
Oh, yeah.
And then my property line, I have till the canal back there. So
oh, sick. Oh, you have a
4
ton of space. That's sick. What are you gonna do with all that space?
So I'm gonna square up the lawn, see how it's at an angle, square up with the house, and do an orchard in the back.
Oh, okay.
It's like a bunch of apples and berries and stuff like that.
That's huge.
And then do grass, and then we're gonna do like more natural trees and stuff over on that side, maybe put in a creek and...
Nice. Wow, it's insane.
Make a cool football field.
Yeah, get those kids in the NFL. So you're a year into the project?
Over a year.
Over a year.
Yeah, because I think we broke ground, I want to say like July or August.
Yeah.
The finish date for a year and a half was that date in November.
Yeah.
So we did 2 windows.
Uh-huh.
So there's one there and one here, but that goes down into the basketball court.
Cool. That's sick. That's a big
Checking on the kids.
Yeah. I mean, that'll be able to double as volleyball court.
Yeah, we're gonna do
pickleball
pickleball,
court, volleyball,
everything. All that.
Sick.
Yeah, you would probably put a lift and find a way to get cars.
Yeah, oh, for sure. Oh, 100%. Definitely.
This is the theater room.
Nice.
So we're gonna have like granite up here and chairs, and then the other 2 rows will be big couches.
Nice.
And then the whole setup. But come look at this. They're still working on the smart home stuff. You saw the ones upstairs?
Oh, geez.
They're both of these and this one, and then a fourth one. So this room, my wife plays the violin and piano.
Oh, cool.
She would say she's good, but
Yeah.
she's like really good. And so we're gonna do a library with a ladder thing there.
Oh, okay.
And then this will just be a music room, so piano and can play the violin and stuff.
Nice.
It's got it insulated, so you don't have a lot of sound.
Right, yeah.
If you ever come to hang out, you can have the guest bedroom, bathroom
Guest
in here.
quarters.
Yeah.
That's cool.
So. And then I feel like the cool part of the house is over here. This is my favorite part.
Yeah, because everything we've seen thus far is not very cool. You know what I'm saying? It's just like,
You're making me sound
whatever.
The 30-foot ceilings are just so rad.
Yeah, well, the basketball court and the theater room and the garage with 12 Lambos, yeah.
This is, we'll have a concrete fireplace. So this will be a full gym.
Oh, okay.
It's like weight equipment.
Yeah.
Are you getting cables and stuff too?
Yeah.
Dude, you're gonna
Yeah.
be here all day bulk season, boys.
And then this will be glass.
Oh, it's gonna be
So the whole wall will be glass. This is so cool. This is the first time I've seen the basketball court all finished.
Yeah. It's insane.
The guy that I have doing it, he's coming to, I guess they do some correction to make sure it's perfectly level before they put on the wood floor.
Oh, right, yeah, because it's gonna be perfect.
So we're gonna do the, they've got like this soft stuff. So it'll help with sound, but we'll put it all the way up.
Nice.
So then if you run into the wall, it's soft.
Yeah,
it's
so you
like
hurt yourself.
half inch. Yeah, that'd be cool.
That would be really cool.
But we're gonna put the little YouTube studio, and if me and Garrett ever actually start a podcast in this area.
Yeah. I've heard those words before if we ever start a podcast. Because same thing. What is this?
So in here,
Poker room, dude.
Okay, that's what I figured.
They're underground black.
This is where the Idaho underground scenes.
They're speaking.
we're gonna do is you can lock it off right there, so that when I have guys over, this isn't like part of the house.
Oh,
So
there's a
they can
secret
use
entrance.
the pool. This is the locker rooms for the pool or for the
Right,
basketball
okay,
court.
that's cool.
It will be an electric poker table.
No.
You can buy this $20,000 electric poker table.
Really?
We've been working on Chan for a year. You have a deal.
Yeah.
That's right. Do you get some slot machines in here?
Oh, jeez. Hey, don't get Luke
Not gonna
started.
happen.
Do not get Luke started talking about slot machines. No, hey, I have one goal. His wife told me one thing. Don't let him gamble at the casino on the way home. Please. This is sick.
It is very sick. It's like gross
Yeah.
sick.
Dude, let's go for a swim.
So
Change the water out.
yeah, they just
Clean it.
add.
Serious.
I'm actually worried because the water levels dropped substantially in the last couple days, so I think they chipped something or broke something when they put everything in.
Wait, you're telling me this is the water?
Straight up.
Yeah, they
just clean this up.
they add water and shock it and clean out the stuff, and then
Really?
you're never supposed to remove the water from the.
Huh. We're gonna be swimming in this
Oh
water.
yeah, you can come swim in it anytime. You can swim in it right now if you want.
For the vlog.
What would it take?
A lot. You still haven't paid up on the last.
The problem with this is not a lot of people know how to do an indoor pool properly that are here. So like
Right.
HVAC and all that has been really stressful.
Oh, yeah.
And that's the tank they decided they needed, which I feel like they overdid because that seems extensive, but
Right. It's hard because like you're not the expert. They are.
Yeah.
So like, what do you say? Like, no, you're wrong. I've been
Yeah.
doing this for 40 years. Oh, okay.
yeah. So right now it looks really gross and like
Right. I can visualize what it'll be like
Yeah.
though.
what's done so far costs about as much as the Ferrari you just bought. So
Seriously?
I definitely feel a little
Really?
screwed. Yeah.
Ferrari seems cheap all of a sudden, bro.
Yeah.
That's great. How much more do they have to do on the pool? Like, what's the whole cost gonna be?
Well, so the pool alone was like 120, 130 with everything.
Yeah.
And then the new system, all the HVAC and stuff. So this will have like a little waterfall. I still don't believe them because I don't know how it's all going to come together, but
Yeah.
they said it's going to. But yeah, they had to
Not
build.
by first week of November.
Yeah, no.
2 weeks.
It's the process. I will never do it again. It is
Build a
not-
house or pool?
the house
Yeah.
and the pool.
Yeah, I feel
It's
you.
just a lot.
Yeah, I don't know if it's worth it.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, when you think about the other houses you could just buy that are already finished, that are like very close to what you want, you think about all the pain, the stress, the excess cost.
Especially because there's a house over here for, it was
1.85.
Yeah. And it's got a finished lot, like tons of expenses we could have avoided. But then when I looked at building and it was gonna be the same price and we could have all this.
Right.
But now that the price has exploded.
Well, and that house is worth probably more too now than it was, right?
Yeah, it just sucks. I could have bought that, already been in it,
Yeah.
been living the good life.
Yep.
Palace of Versailles.
The good news is I'm this far along and not as far along as you are.
Bro. Boom. Unbelievable. Man, a lot of daggers in the soul today. But I'm the one taking home the Ferrari. So.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Without paying for it, yeah. I mean,
All right, so we just got back from the house tour.
Yes, we
what
did.
did you think?
so sick, dude. I can't wait to come visit. You said I can come stay at
Anytime.
the guest room.
Anytime
Idaho
you want.
Falls with the boys? Yes, sir. Count us in.
You just have to bring a little bit cooler car. I mean, the TRX is awesome, but
Right, okay.
you had so many I was excited to see. And
Okay, I'll bring some. I'll bring a bunch of cars with the boys.
okay,
And yeah, your family's gonna love us.
you guys
we'll play
are
ball.
always welcome. The whole
we'll
half,
swim. Yeah.
it's yours.
Okay. When is
But-
it gonna be done?
Who knows?
Okay.
Yours
yeah.
might be
Same.
done before mine.
Yeah, invitation's open to come visit my house in 2045 when it's finished. So.
Thank you. I'm kind of hoping that mine does get done finished because the second yours gets done, I'm just gonna be jealous because I can tell already.
You have a pool and you have a basketball court, bro.
You can hold like 40 cars, and you
Right.
will hold 40 cars.
True.
And they will all be really cool cars.
But you got a pool. You got a pool. I need a pool. I should add a pool. Maybe phase 2 or phase 3. Add a pool, and then you can add more garage space.
Yeah.
In phase 2.
Good. First off, I gotta find a way to fill my current garage space.
That shouldn't be a problem. I can help.
Okay.
Yeah, I got a bunch of cars.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like I said,
If-
my Bugatti's for sale, bro. You just call me. I'll make
Okay,
you
I don't know
a
about-
package deal.
I don't know about Bugatti, but I would love to continue this trend because
Yeah.
when I look to buy cars elsewhere, it was actually really stressful. But when I buy them from you, I'm like, there's no way this guy would take advantage of me.
Yeah,
Look
here
what he did
I
with
am.
this. He sold
here
me a
I
car.
am getting taken advantage of.
He
Unbelievable.
sold me a car and then bought it back for more.
Yeah, that's
I
the
want to do
best.
car business
That's the
with
best
you all
deal
the time.
ever. Unbelievable.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much for coming and
Yeah,
checking
of
it
course, of course.
out. Cool. Till next time.
We're like, do we go for the? I was like, nope, not doing that. I'm just waiting for you to make the move.
Awesome.